everybody, welcome back to the show. What is going on? This is the moment everybody was waiting for. Mark Miller, hello there. Welcome. Terry is here, everybody. Another warm welcome and applause for Terry. Yes, there was a rooster, by the way. There was, you did hear it correctly. There was a rooster because it was set up to gold. So gold is pushing a little bit higher. So that was the rooster alert. Technically. How's it going? Frequency, hello there. And N is here, and Escan, hello. All right, let me log into the chat because you know what time it is today. I hope you guys know it. Of course, it's giveaway time, everybody. It's giveaway time. So, giveaway form. Giveaway form is here. I hope it's okay. So it's take profit trader giveaway actually. So 2 take profit trader accounts are gonna be given away. Just saying. Actually, let me save this. Okay. So 2 take profit trader accounts are gonna get given away today. So make sure to fill out the form because today in this stream we're going to pick the winners for 2 50K take profit trader accounts. Take profit trader test accounts, that is. So make sure to fill out the form. Smash the like. Hello. Cheesy balls. Hello there. Kelly Kaufman, welcome. And Loving Nature Guy is back. Welcome back. Smokey the Soccer Dad, what's up? Happy Kids Trades, welcome. Smash the like, everybody. So the giveaway is on. Please fill out the form. The way it's gonna be is that you guys fill out the giveaway form, all right? And we are going to use a random number generator. Everybody's gonna receive a number. And so we are gonna pick 2 winners. So we are going to have 2 test accounts, 2 50K take profit trader test accounts for giveaway. All right, very simple. I just need your YouTube name, but the most important is I need your take profit trader email so I can send it to support once you win. Thank you so much. And this is how we're going to do it. So make sure to participate in the giveaway. Let's go. How is everybody doing? How was the market so far? Look at what happened I mean, after I stopped the stream, like I think I went away somewhere here a few minutes after 4 a.m. It went higher. Yesterday's PM session high almost, and then went down to this liquidity void. We talked about this a lot, so we took it out. Hey Anne, good to see you. I'm doing great, thank you so much. Troops, hello. Yeah, London session was really it was a tricky one. It was a really tricky one, honestly. NGL Futures, hello, good morning. Make sure if you would like to receive take profit trader 50K test accounts, make sure to fill out the form. It's up there in the pin message. So I'm gonna pick the winners. Actually, 2 winners. So 2 50K test accounts are gonna be given away. Happy Friday, happy Friday. So make sure to win. Also, if you're putting your name multiple times with the same email address, I'm just saying that duplicates of emails are going to be taken out. So I know it's seems easy to do it or whatever, but like I'm gonna take out the duplicates. So please don't go for it like that. All right. Let's see what is going on. Seems like NQ is bouncing here. I thought that it's going to go lower, but it's not going lower. Not for now, at least. So Get him. Bear Trader, hello there. Happy Friday, happy Friday. What's happening? So please, no duplicates. If there's going to be duplicates, no problem. It's just going to get sorted out anyway. Okay, okay. Let's see. So make sure to enter the giveaway. Consolidation into the news release. Yeah, so what kind of news release are we looking for here? We are having PPI, yeah, PPI news. We still have some time until then, right? So there's definitely time. Terry had to paint her nails. Good morning. Hello there. Terry, there's a 50K test account giveaway, 2 winners. You can also participate. Take Profit Trader 50K test accounts, Terry. Fill out the form if you would like to participate. We're gonna have 2 winners in this stream. I was waiting for the drop in ES 15 minutes before. I'm wondering if there's gonna be like further drop, or this is gonna be the reversal here. I'm actually really curious. Join. Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe we'll see some reversal. Who knows? Let's look on gold. I think gold just wants to go for that supply zone. So we put this out on the 15-minute. Actually, it looks good. So the 15-minute does look good as a potential target here. So we're going to retrace to keep dumping today. Could be. That's a really good question. Like, what's it going to be? What's going to happen? We don't know. Really, really, really good question. Yeah. 21 likes. Oh, we have to do better, everyone. We can do better. I know we can do better. We are at 24 likes currently. We can easily get it to above 50. Easily. Super easy. Let's get it to above 50, everyone. I know it. We can do it. Let's get above 50 likes. Let's get it. Okay, so far so good. Nothing special is going on. It seems like a reversal, I think. So it might be popping higher into that fair value gap right above there. Dan, hello. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Good morning, Burrito. Hello there. Make sure to subscribe to the giveaway form to Take Profit Trader test accounts ready to roll, you know. So 2 winners. And please, no duplicates. The duplicates are going to get sorted out anyway. So just save some energy with that for us, for me. But yeah, duplicates are going to get sorted out. So email, if you have an email with Take Profit Trader or registration, obviously that's the only way that you can get this. And yeah, so please make sure to answer correctly. You registered. All right. Let's see, what levels do we have? Seems like we're pushing. Definitely pushing higher here. Which is technically good, right? But how far? How far can we get it? I wonder. ATR is high. All right. This was a strong bounce here from this level. Like a really, really strong bounce. All right, anyway, let's look for levels. Let's get some levels here. Okay, there's nothing here on the 1 minute, by the way. There is one up there, which is kind of cool because it was created, it has been printed in the London session. So I do like that on the 3 minute. I'm going to mark that up for later. So that's a nice supply zone on the 3 minute. I do like it. Really, really good supply zone here. On the 3 minute at 69. Are we going to get there? Who knows? It's actually less than 100 points away. So anything is possible. Oh, that's high, right? 22.50 on the ATR. Huh. All right, let's see the 5 minute. Nothing on the 5. Interesting how, you know, yesterday's PM session high was at 99 and this one was one tick lower. So we might see a complete reversal, you know, now that we took out the Asia low. You know, how about we're going higher? All the way up there, all the way. I can imagine. Charters Mo, hey, how's it going? After a month, oh my gosh. So you were away a little bit. Well, anyway, I'm glad that you're back. Welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? How have you been? How's trading? Okay, structure shift here. Let's see. Can we go higher? Okay, no, we can't. Just trying to see, I mean, I'm trying to figure out if we can have a structure shift here. Now, a high is 58.50, 58.50. No, 58.25. We technically shifted structure on the 3 minute, by the way, here. So it's a little bit flat, but we shifted structure. But is this enough? Hey, Gabor, hello. Üdvözöllek. All right. Make sure, if you guys would like to participate in the Take Profit Trader giveaway, make sure to fill out the form. All right. And please, no duplicates, because duplicates are going to be sorted out anyway. All right. Thank you. Thank you. So we're going to have 2 winners, 2 Take Profit Trader accounts for the win. Right. So make sure to fill out the form. We only have 30 participants. I think we can have more, right? Of course we can have more. Actually 29, sorry, because we have a duplicate. So clean. and I didn't take. Oh, Ron, don't worry. I was also feeling the FOMO. I was so focusing on this liquidity void, and then I stopped trading, and the market eventually went down there. But anyway, what can you do, right? It is what it is. It is what it is. Made 300 yesterday. Let's go on the eval. That's good. Cheesy Balls is in. Okay. I do like the idea that we can run this higher, by the way, on NQ. It looks good. It really looks good. At least on the 3-minute. On the 3-minute, it looks exceptionally good. We have a good target up there. You know, optimal trade entry level could be maybe down there a little bit, but still. I think it's good. If QQQ takes the high, but NQ doesn't, does it still count? Depends on what you're looking for. I mean, if the QQQ takes it, it's almost like, again, a divergence-ish thing. I don't think it counts that much, but 30-minute, 1 hour, and the 4-hour chart looks awful. Yeah, the 4-hour, I checked the 4-hour. Sorry, here's the 4-hour. The 4-hour chart, by the way, I don't like it. The 4-hour chart looks absolutely ugly. I actually like to see this go higher to take out that 299 up there, because London session failed, so it would be great to see a continuation higher on this. So, you know, why not just go, right? How far can it go anyway? I don't know. Let's see. I'm wondering if we can tag the 25K. What do you guys think? Can we tag it? You know, the good old 25K up there. I think we might have a chance. Good morning, Miss K. Miss K 911. Hello there, Trader 007 NQ. Hello, good morning. Hit the like, everybody. Jip Smith is here. Hello, Rohan. I'm in 1 micro long. Feels weird. We're close to 25K, so that's the thing. And I'm kind of wondering if we're going to hit that again or not. Are we going to get it or not? That's the question. Good morning, Split Striker. Hello. Yeah, we are having a Take Profit Trader giveaway. 2 Take Profit Trader test accounts, 50Ks are for giveaway. Make sure to fill out the form, and please don't use duplicate names with the same email, because those are gonna get taken out anyway. I mean, the duplicates. So just saying, we already have 2 duplicates, so you know, duplicates are gonna get taken out. It already shows me that we have more duplicates. So make sure to fill out the form. and you're gonna be eligible for giveaway. Nice. We have 42 participants already. That's nice. That is nice. Let's go. Let's go. No cheating is what I'm saying. I'm not cheating. I'm actually going to observe at that, but the forums are really good. It's already saying that we have duplicate emails. So those are going to get taken out easily. Well, I don't know if it's good for long or not. That's a great question. I thought that we're going to tag the 25K, you know, but it's not doing anything. At least not for now. It's not doing anything for now. I guess we gotta wait. Yeah, we have PPI numbers here at 8:30. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. Winners are gonna get announced at somewhere around 8 a.m. Yeah, we're doing the giveaway. There's the form up there. Take Profit Trader, 2 winners for 50K Take Profit Trader accounts. So 2 accounts are going to get given away. All you need to do is enter your Take Profit Trader email and your YouTube name. If you enter more, that's not going to help you because duplicates are going to get taken out. I mean, you can enter, but it's going to get taken out automatically. So. Let's see what is going on. Well, it seems like price just stopped here. It's not really moving anywhere. But in terms of targets, there's not much. There's a very good 3-minute supply zone up there. I don't know if we're going to get it or not. Good question. NQ might gonna be ready for a drop, you know. You never know. And by the way, speaking of potential drops here, there is also a 1-minute zone down there at 908.75. So that's a 1-minute. Well, it's actually valid. That's a 1-minute demand zone all the way down. Just saying. One-minute demand zone. Confluence Trader, hello. What's up? How's it going? Da, da. Well, not much is happening. I'm kind of watching what NQ is doing. Are we going to take 25k or are we going to drop down all the way back? We're waiting for the news, basically. So nothing more. Nothing special is going on. For now, at least. So, yeah. There's no clean targets here. Kind of trying to figure out if this one wants to drop all the way down, but that would be like an extra, like 60 points. Now we will see if it's going to invert this gap. It might gonna go down to that demand zone from earlier. So we'll see. Yeah, Gypsmith, just waiting. Just waiting. There was a really good area that I missed in the London session. So I don't know. Yeah. I could yawn, that's for sure, because this is like the waiting game. It might gonna be this way until 8:30. So make sure to fill out the giveaway form. I'm gonna pick the winner in 29 minutes. All right. So fill out the form if you haven't already. And we're gonna pick the winner real soon. How many points or ticks do you go for your TP or do? Well, it depends. Like there's no simple answer. Like how it depends. Usually I would say on average, I can go anywhere between like 10, 15 to like 50 or 100 points. Depends on what kind of trade do I put on, you know, depends on what strategy I use. If I scalp, I go for 10, 15 points sometimes. But if I go in with an intraday position trade, I'm good to go for 100 points. Obviously with micros, 1 or 2 micros, no problem. If there's a level that I really, you know, looking for. So, you know, but my targets are usually supply and demand zones. That's what I'm looking for. Moses, hello. Make sure to enter the giveaway. The form is there in the pin message up there. Retesting 857. Could be happening, you know. Could be happening. Can easily be happening, by the way. I actually wouldn't be surprised on a 60-point drop here. You know, instead of tagging the 25k, but you never know. Set up account to trade with micro. It's very simple. You just have to open the micro chart because it's a different type of, I mean, it's a different chart. Just open up not the NQ chart, but the MNQ. So the symbol name is MNQ, right? So just look for it depending on which platform are you using. Just look for the MNQ chart. It's super simple, Mark. Just Lucid. Okay, then the same. So Lucid, if you're using TRADEIFY, for example, I don't know what you're using, I guess TRADEIFY. Go for MNQ. I mean, there are like in futures, I think the current contract is the MNQH, by the way. So if you just type in MNQH or MNQ, it should be giving it, should be listing it to you. If yesterday was distribution no point on Friday, sent to buy again today. I'm not saying it's no point of buying or there's no point of buying, but we got to look for some higher time frame context here, because for example here on the 1 hour, well, I would say we do have some cool targets on the downside here on the 1 hour, that's for sure. Even from yesterday, like look at that. I mean, sorry, not yesterday, Tuesday. This is Tuesday here. I kind of like this bullish pin bar here. It can definitely continue as being a bearish scenario without even trying to tag the 25K up there. So, you know, just gotta be ready. 500 from past an eval. Let's go. Let's go. That's not much to go for. It's definitely possible. I think it can easily go lower, you know. Like all the way down to make new lows. Babe Drunk, hello. Any good promotions? Well, we still have the buy one get one free promo, and MyFundedFutures still has the Rapid, the Pro, and the Flex plan on sale. Also, I would say Lucid. Oh yeah, the Lucid 50% off is still on until next Tuesday, I think, or Wednesday. So those are the good ones right now, Babe Drunk. I mean, there are some other good ones. Bulenox is down 75% on option 1 and 2 accounts. So that's also cool. I'm kind of liking it. Let's see. Yes. I haven't really checked on ES. Yeah, not much, to be honest. Nothing on the 5. Nothing on the 5 minute here. Not even lower. So the 5 minute definitely doesn't look interesting. Not much on the 15 minute. There's nothing even on the 3 minute there. I guess I have to look for the 1 minute. Is there anything on the 1 minute here? Okay, so there is a zone on the 1 minute down there at 6841.25. So I guess that's still valid. I don't know. I would be a little bit more bearish for now, maybe, on that, just to make sure. But I'm not sure. I'm also starting to think that now on the 1 minute NQ kind of inverted this gap. But is it going to continue lower, you know? Is this going to hold the price to go lower? There is a 1 minute zone down there, but is it going to go? You know, that's the big question. Seek and destroy. It could be. Could be. 885. It could be bouncing. Make sure to fill out the giveaway form, everyone. We are having a Take Profit Trader giveaway. The form is up there. If you are a registered user or a customer with Take Profit Trader, or you're eligible to trade with them, then obviously here's your chance to win Take Profit Trader account. We're going to have 2 winners. Please don't use duplicates, because duplicates are going to be taken out anyway. There is a promo currently on Lucid, 50% for 2 on any evals until next Wednesday. Gotta check it, but 2 uses per person. So that's the thing. So 2 usage per person. But I will check it. Just a second. I need to check it. The last time that was, I was reading. Where is the dark mode on TradingView? I have no idea. I think I found it a long time ago. Let me see. Let me see. Where is the promotions? Promotion, yeah. So 50% off any eval. Limit is 2 per trader until the 4th of March. So, you know, I don't know. Let me check it out again. But yeah, it says until the 4th of March. So it should be okay. think so. I think it should be okay. Oh, sorry. The market makers. All right, market makers are saying no info. They're not going to help us today. Should I ask TradingView if I can withdraw TradingView on the paper trade? Look, you know what, Ron? I think you should ask. You know, send them an email and wait for the response, and please post out the response, the reply. I would be genuinely curious what they're going to say. I definitely am. So yeah, I'm curious. Let us know how it goes. If there's an update, let us know. I will be curious. If they let you to take that money, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go absolutely crazy. Let us know. I took a very small short here for scalping purposes. Let me set the account. I'm telling you guys, this is difficult. Oh no, I thought we were gonna waterfall down to the zone. Yeah, I took it based on the second chart. So yeah, this is what it is. Let's go down to the zone. Let's do it. DEW, everybody. Shrish, hello. Do you think Apex will resume GC? Yeah, they should. They should. It's not permanent. That they said that it's only temporarily. I don't know when, but you can send them a support ticket just to ask. But I'm sure that it's only temporarily, because they're going to lose even more customers if they're not, you know, putting it back. Mimicking NVIDIA, so NVIDIA is causing the trouble right now, right? Double bottom incoming. I want to see that zone at 908. Never suffer, hello. And by the way, everybody, let me check the likes. Please let us check. Let's see how we're doing with the likes. We are having 65 likes and 256 viewers, which is amazing. Can we get some more likes? I know we can get to 100. I know we can make it to 100. And of course, we are having Take Profit Trader giveaways. Make sure to fill out the form. If you are putting in duplicates there, then don't worry, the duplicates are going to be taken out anyway. So I'm sorry, but fill out the form. Obviously you need an email with Take Profit Trader, so I can send them your email that that you won the giveaway, and they're going to activate your credit, the giveaway credit in your account. And this was a nice trade. All right, so you know, that's how it's going to go. We're going to pick the winner in about a few minutes. All right, in a few minutes. We have, I don't even know how much, we have 70 participants, but we have to filter out the duplicates. So I do need to filter out the duplicates. I can use ChatGPT for it. I can use many versions to filter it out, but actually I know how to do it. So yeah, this was just a scalp trade, but only because I was hoping that we're going to go down for that zone. I was really hoping that we're going to go down for that zone. But what to do next, right? What to do next? That's the big question. It still haven't taken the zone, by the way. It still didn't go for it. It's still not over yet. And we still have a lot of time. Oh, 875 is the zone, just saying. It's 0875. And I think it should be tagging that level. Come on. What's it gonna be? Is it gonna go for it? Maybe not. Daniel, hello. Bro, please give me that funded account. I really need that. Sorry, Def Pradhan. You have all the chance to win. Actually, we're going to have 2 winners picked. And we're going to have more giveaways next week. So make sure to stay tuned because we are going to have more giveaways. Let's go. So far, it's hovering around this area. It doesn't look like that it wants to go lower. Or at least not much. HD Photo, hello, welcome. Make sure to fill out the giveaway form. HD Photo. It's up there. I'm going to pick the winner in a few minutes. Maybe you have 1 or 2 more minutes to enter the form. I do need to get the duplicates out first. Good luck to everybody. Yes. Exactly. Good luck to everyone. Okay, we're having a bounce here. Let's see how far it's going to take us. Interesting how it didn't really go all the way down there. I guess we gotta wait a little bit more. So there's a 5-minute gap right up there. The high is 38.25. Let's see what's gonna happen. It can still go all the way up there, by the way, just to get some liquidity. And then, who knows, maybe it will go lower. Yep, 9:30, 9:37. I think it's going to go for it. It's going to go for that 5-minute gap up there. Seems like that's what it wants to do. It's up there at 37. Yo, Green, what's up? Entered the giveaway. The form is up there in the pinned message tab. I'm closing it down in a minute, less than a minute actually. So last chance. We have 93. Okay. You have a lot of entries. Okay. Duplicate emails are gonna get taken out. First time to attend the giveaway, let's go. Just click on the form in the pinned message in the chat. You'll see it up there in the pinned message. You click on it, you enter your YouTube name or whatever name you like here on YouTube, and your Take Profit Trader email, the email that you are registered with at Take Profit Trader. If you are not eligible to trade with Take Profit Trader, then unfortunately, because for example, you live in a restricted country, then unfortunately, I'm sorry, but you know, it's not going to work out, even if you win. Biztos meg vagy. Canadian trader, hello there. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. All right, let's see if it's gonna go lower. Are we gonna get 908? I'm just curious. Genuinely curious. There you go. Taking it. Awesome. All right. All right, let me close down the form. Let me close the form. I'm sorry, I can't read the chat for a brief minute. The giveaway in a few minutes. I'm closing down the form right now. All right. Taking off the form. Now I need to, because there are quite a few duplicates here. I don't know why. But now I need to filter out the duplicates. All right, just give me a moment. Thank you, Arlene D. Martinez, for joining. Awesome, awesome. Okay. All right. Oh my God. Okay. How do I do this? Oh, I know. All right, just a second. I'm working on, I have to get out the duplicates. Working on it. Filtering out. Duplicates are removed. I'm gonna put out everything on the screen. Just I don't want to share everybody's email. So, okay. Okay, we have 105 participants, all right? 105 participants in the giveaway. So good luck to everyone. I'm putting it out on the screen. And we are going to use a random number generator, all right? A random number generator. Here are the names, all right? Everybody can see it. I did not share the emails because of privacy reasons, of course, but I do have everybody's email. It's too late to enter. I'm sorry, iTrades, but I just finished up with sorting this out. There was a form, so the form is closed. So, so the emails, you don't see the emails, but these are the YouTube names. Good luck, everybody. I think everybody's here. All right. Everybody's here. Duplicates? No duplicates. 38, 30, what? What the hell? I told ChatGPT to take out the duplicates. I can't believe this. Okay, give me a second. Hold on. Hold on. I think I saw your name. There's your name. Miss Hall. Depends on how you wrote your name. There was a form. There was a form, but I already took it out. I took it down already. Just a second. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 duplicates, actually. We have 4 duplicates with the same email. Okay. Okay, this is the correct version. This is the correct version. All right. This is no duplicates in this one. There's no duplicates. Everybody's here. All right. I didn't ban the cheater. I just took away the duplicate names are gonna get got taken away, and the duplicate emails. Everybody has one. Okay. All right. Let's do this because. So there's a way to do it. Should we do it with the random number generator between 1 to 105? So for example, this. Do you want to do this? Or there's a wheel spin. Number. Number wheel spin. This is how it looks like. Input by range, by formula. So this is the other one. Which one you want to go with? We don't have time for everything. There's a wheel spin until 1 to 105, or we're just going to do a simple random number generator. Which one you like to go? Spin? Let's do the wheel spin. All right. So, all right. We are going to have the wheel spin. All right, all right, all right. We're going to do the wheel spin. All right. All right. Let's start this. All right, 2 winners. Let's do this. 2 winners for the Take Profit Trader account. Let's start. All right, number 87. Number 87. Do we have 87? Because there was, if 87 EBPVUZHX, congratulations for the win. That's the first winner. All right, 87. Let's do the next one. All right, remove choice. Okay, are you guys ready? Yes. If they're not here, it's not a problem actually, but I mean, they should be here, right? Are you guys here? I think they should be. Because I'm just going to send the email to Take Profit Trader support. That's how it works. All right, let's do it again. Or, you know, should be here. Oh my gosh. Gets rid of bots. Okay. Okay, so B5V, please make yourself known in the chat. You have 2 minutes. B5V. All right. If you are here, that's true, guys. That's the way we do it on MyFundedFutures too. So sorry. Yes, claim it here. B5V. So if you're here, make yourself known. Until then, we're gonna roll for another one. All right. Let's roll again. Are you guys ready? Not active. Okay. If he's not here in the next 2 minutes, we're gonna re-roll. All right. That's how we do it. Let's start this again. Okay. Oh, here it is. Here he is. B5V, congratulations. You won a 50K Take Profit Trader account. All right, great. I'm going to send your email to Take Profit Trader support to get your credit. Congratulations. All right. And let's get the second winner. The second winner for the next 50K Take Profit Trader test account. 19, number 19. Number 19, where is number, if there is a number 19? Number 19 is Regeeks 1428. Regeeks 1428, make yourself known. Congratulations for the giveaway. We're gonna give 2 minutes to Regeeks to make him or herself known. And of course, he's here. Okay, congratulations. Congratulations for the giveaway. Let me give you another applause for both winners. Let me copy your names. And okay, guys, I have your names. I have your data. I am going to send your credentials, I mean your email, to Take Profit Trader after the stream. Okay, and they should be activating it. Worst case scenario, maybe if not today, then maybe on Monday. All right, worst case scenario, then maybe on Monday. The two names are ReB5V and Regeeks 1428. Those are the winners. I think it was a good one, right? I think it was a good one. This wheel spin was actually really good. I think this was a good one. The forum worked out well. I think we saved ourselves from some bots too. So thank you so much for participating. By the way, next week we're gonna have more giveaways, Monday and Tuesday, one of those days. But we're gonna have giveaways. All right, so make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to stay tuned. These are Take Profit Trader accounts. Okay. This is better, I think, than the Streamlabs bot, because the bots can easily go into the chat and, you know, that way it's easy to get more tickets. Thank you so much, by the way, for the likes. We are at 109 likes. Thank you, everybody. Really good job there. You're Serbian. Awesome. A Serbian brother from another mother and a different father. Welcome, Regeeks. Neighbor. Awesome, awesome. I'm definitely going to send the credentials to Take Profit Trader after the stream. What is happening on gold? Oh my gosh. What was this? There was not even, I mean, there wasn't even news. Gold just went up $30. Like it's nothing, actually. Gold went up $30 like it's practically nothing. What can you do? This is exactly the situation when you know, the only level here on gold left is that buy side liquidity up there. That is it. Yeah, gold can do insane things. I think Terry, she's going to seal the deal today on the debate. I think she's going to take this home. By the way, target for later is relative equal highs up there at 99. That could be interesting. She's definitely going to take this debate, I'm sure. And it's still going down. By the way, this zone has still not been taken out. Just saying. Dun, 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 dun. She's singing about it. Okay. Well, yeah, I think it's pretty much sealed. The only chance that we can get today is if we can get back to break even. You know, if we can put it to, you know, if we can win this one, then it's going to be break even for the month, and we might gonna have to settle it on Monday. I'm not sure if you saw my question. Have you been having issues with TradeEway? No. I mean, when I was using CopyTrader, then it happened, but I think it was because of the CopyTrader. But I'm not using TradeEway, so I'm not using TradeEway as my main platform. I used it maybe once or twice in my whole life. I'm using NinjaTrader and QuantTower. So, you know, although NinjaTrader is the same, but I didn't have that issue. Are you trading the news? No, I'm not. I'm not trading the news. I don't care about the news. You're welcome. I do not care about the news. What a move here. Look at that. Took out buy side liquidity up there. Wow. Okay. Sotna Chikovani, thank you for joining us. Welcome to the channel. Hugh Lewis, I do like that. Hugh Lewis is great. Guys, I'm not gonna take a trade, so I don't know what to do. I'm definitely not taking a trade before the news, so I'm just gonna call it here, everybody. I'm gonna call it here because I have no reason to take a trade. So thank you so much. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly, not well, in about 40 or 33 minutes. No, 43 minutes. So you can join me there with Terry. We're gonna have some awesome time. Pine Tree Trader is joining us today as well. And, you know, I'll be back for Monday, regular time, London and New York, and more giveaways, of course. Thank you, by the way, for all the participation and everything. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the TOMSABO code. We have some real good sales still going on. Lucid has a 50% off of any eval, 2 limit per user until next Wednesday. Bulenox is back to 75% off on both option 1 and 2 accounts. And, you know, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader with the daily payouts, TRADEDAY, and, oh yeah, TRADEIFY. We got to talk more about TRADEIFY because, yeah, I'm going to work on some more TRADEIFY. MyFundedFutures Network, the buy one, get one for free promo is still running, ending tomorrow on Saturday. Buy one, get one for free. Check it out. thank you so much, everyone. You guys are amazing. The community is awesome. I'd like to wish everybody a great weekend if I don't see you at MyFunded TV. And I'll be back next Monday. Oh, thank you, Custom. HT Photos said he bought a Lucid. Thank you with the code. Thank you so much, Custom. All right. You guys take care. God bless you all. And see you later. Or if not, then on Monday. All right. God bless. Cheers.